Have you ever had your MCS shift after adding a CNC machine to your NX-Cam setup? Welcome back to another NX-Cam quick tip. MCS shift due to machine addition. An MCS shift can occur, relative to the workpiece, if the wrong object is selected as the motion object during CNC machine positioning. If you select the fixture attached to the workpiece, or just the workpiece itself as the motion object, the MCS will detach from the workpiece. If this goes unnoticed, it can lead to a crash or air cutting on the physical CNC machine due to an unexpected MCS location. To prevent this, always select the CNC machine as the motion object during alignment. This ensures that your setup, created prior to loading the machine, remains intact and unaffected. And that's today's NX-Cam quick tip of the day. Thanks for watching. For more insights, stay tuned to Long-Term Technology Services. Need help with NX-Cam? Please reach out. We're here to help.